Former US President Donald Trump, who clinched the Republican presidential nomination for the third consecutive time, got a partial reprieve on Wednesday. Judge Scott McAfee, overseeing the Georgia election interference case, has dismissed 6 charges against him, primarily linked to soliciting elected officials to violate their oaths of office. However, other count of indictment endures, with prosecutors retaining the option to seek a new indictment for the dismissed charges due to inadequate detailing of the alleged crimes. This ruling presents a setback for Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis, who spearheaded the case against Trump. Willis's position has been precarious, facing scrutiny over her romantic affiliation with a colleague. Notably, this marks the first instance where charges have been dismissed against Trump in 4 of the criminal cases. Of the charges dismissed, 2 pertain to Trump's conversation with Georgia Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger on 2nd of January 2021, wherein Trump infamously sought to uncover the additional votes. While the 35 criminal count, including 10 against Trump, remains unaltered, the central racketeering charge against Trump and his 14 remaining co-defendants still persist. The indictment alleges a coordinated effort by Trump and other 18 to overturn his 2020 election loss in Georgia, detailing numerous attempts to subvert the election outcome, including pressuring election workers and influencing the state lawmakers to appoint a favorable elector. Trump's legal team have entered pleas of not guilty, contesting allegations of conspiring to overturn the 2020 election result. Trump's lead attorney, Steve Sadow, highlighted the prosecution's failure to specify alleged wrongdoing in the dismissed charges. Whereas in a concurrent development, Trump has secured the GOP nomination for the 2024 presidential election, once again cementing his position as the Republican frontrunner after securing victories in Georgia, Mississippi, and Washington state. This sets the stage for a historic rematch between Democratic rival Joe Biden, who clinched the Democratic nomination earlier too. The impending presidential race marks the first rematch in near 7 decades. Now, as Trump gears up to accept the nomination of the Republican National Convention in July, he faces the prospect of being both a presidential candidate and being a convict in the case. Amidst a flurry of legal challenges, Trump's first trial, centered on payments to a porn actress, is slated to commence in New York City on March 25th.